Hello and welcome. This is How to Scholar. So today we'll be talking about the request for a combination certificate, as you can see here. So to perform this query, note that the applicant shall be required to attach the scanned copy of the combined statement of results after the query is approved. A candidate is required to pay 350 for processing. So this is basically for the certificates. In the previous video that we're looking at was for the statement of results. Okay, so most of this information that you'll be seeing here will be the same. As you can see, the surname, the other name, the phone number, the email, the service center. As we picked in the previous video, we picked Kitwe because that's the closest to Ndola. So you have to look at Ndola doesn't have a service center, so these are the towns we're able to pick up from. So you have to select the nearest town to where you are. Okay, so you enter the physical address, you enter the candidate details. These are your details. So you enter details corresponding to the combined statement. So once you're done with the statement, once you're done with what we're doing in the previous video, you now enter the examination number on combined statement. So once they combine it, you now enter that examination number that has been put on the combined statement and attach it as well, because what we're looking for now is also a certificate that has been combined as well. So then you can just click on agree and submit. So you can't attach any other statements. So you have to first start with the stage that we're doing in the previous video. Then you come to this stage because we are looking forward to getting the combination certificate using the statement that has been combined. Okay, so we're done for this stage. Let's move to the next video.